In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Smartsheet with external users. If you're looking to collaborate with individuals outside your organization, this guide will walk you through it step by step, ensuring a smooth sharing process. To kick things off, navigate to your Smartsheet workspace or home. This is your starting point where all your sheets, reports, or dashboards are accessible. Once there, open the specific sheet, report, or dashboard you're planning to share. Make sure you're in the correct location because this ensures that the right information is shared with your external collaborators. Next, you'll want to share your document. For this, click on the File menu and then select Share. Here you'll find a field labeled Invite People and Groups. Enter the email address of the external user you want to invite to your Smartsheet. It's crucial to type in the correct addresses to avoid sending confidential information to the wrong people. After entering the email address, you'll need to set the appropriate permission level for your external user. Smartsheet offers several permission levels including Viewer, Editor, Commenter, and Admin. Choose the one that best fits how much control and access you want that user to have. Once you've selected the permission level, go ahead and click Share to complete this part of the process. If you wish to share specific rows rather than the whole sheet, hover your mouse over the row you're interested in. You'll see a vertical 3-dot menu appear. Click on it and select Send from the list of options. Now enter the email address of the external user you're sending this information to. In addition, you'll have the option to enter a subject and message, providing context or instructions for the shared data. Furthermore, you have the choice to include specific columns in your share and decide if you want to include a CC to yourself. Once everything is set up to your liking, simply click Send and your selected row will be shared. An alternative way to share your Smartsheet is by publishing it. To do this, click on the Publish icon located in the right panel. You'll be presented with various publishing options such as read-only HTML, read-only full, or edit by anyone. These options determine the level of interactivity that the external users will have with your shared content. After you've chosen your desired publishing option, the system will generate a unique URL. This link can then be distributed to your external users, allowing them easy access to the shared sheet. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll be able to efficiently share specific data from your Smartsheet with external users. Whether you're sending rows, inviting people to collaborate, or publishing a viewable link, each method has its own benefits, allowing you to tailor the sharing experience to your needs. Happy sharing!